Hey surveys, welcome back to K-Popsicles. I'm Paige.
I'm Kate.
And this is Phoenix, who does not know how to sit down.
Atop
He
my
is.
leg.
He's blocking the view because he was.
I can see all of the screen except for like the bottom left quarter.
But yeah, no, we are back, making our way through huge list of new comebacks and new releases. We are checking out the new group NEWBEAT today. We have 3 songs. The first 2 are, I guess, pre-debut, and they're only like a minute long each. And then we'll be getting into one that came out about a month ago called Flip That Coin, which is about 3 minutes long. So, brand new group out of Beat Interactive. This is the group that came in after Ace. And so I'm excited to see what they have.
I am too.
So it's a brand new group. First group after Ace other than is it Forestella?
I think it's Forestella.
That's under Beat? Yeah, I think it's Forestella's under Beat.
Now
so, yeah.
you lay down.
Oh, now you want to lay
down. After blocking my view for the last video.
He doesn't know what he wants. But yeah, so super excited to see what they have in store. Unfortunately, this video does not have any captions. That's okay. Life at International Stand happens to us all the time. We'll also be checking out their profile afterwards as well. So before we jump in, gonna leave a link to our Patreon down below in the description box. Hope you can go check us out. We do live stages, drum reactions, variety shows, dance practices. You can join our Discord. Basically, everything you can do here on YouTube. We also post free videos over there for you guys watching on our channel. Because we're not gonna make you pay for things give free. That's just stupid. Speaking of our Patreon, we're currently watching Run BTS, The Isaacs, Boys Over Flowers, Build Up, GOT7's Hard Carry Season 3, Peak Time I'm almost finished with. I also have my own segment called Princess Director Dramas of my own. I'm currently watching 9, Mouse, and Adidas and Spring is Green. We also have movie reactions, album reviews, concert reactions, so much fun content going over there, and a ton more content coming. And if you follow us over on Twitter, handle me on screen. You post every single day of dropping sales and steps we're doing here on our channel. Wow. Got it. Here is NEWBEAT. The first one up will be JeLLo. Here we go.
Little unicorn.
We love it. So it looks like 7 members. The crop tops are already starting.
Of course.
Why does he look familiar? Of course, we got a silver blonde hair. Okay. What is happening?
I don't know, but it's interesting.
Okay. Some of them look familiar. I'm really curious if any of them are on survival shows.
Right.
Or if I've just seen their pictures. I like how it keeps going like animated.
Or
like
AI.
AI.
Pretty cool.
Yeah. Not the giant ear headphones. I
would
can't.
buy those. They're fun.
I also love their styling. Oh no, not the nosebleed.
Get the guy a tissue.
It's like me yelling at the kid again. Stop touching the blood!
Neurocorn?
Neurocorn! Just visually, already Blondie is an issue of mine, because you know me and the blondes. But there's like 2 others that like look familiar to me. Okay, NEWBEAT.
We see you.
We see you, boys. Alright. So that first one was JeLLo. I'm really curious.
There's more JeLLo.
There's more JeLLo. It continues. Once again, no subs. That's fine. So this next one is also only like 1:30. This is called Hiccups. So we're gonna get into this one. Let's go.
Hiccups, but make the JeLLo.
These AI and craziness. Oh god, I hate Hiccups. They're much more hip-hop vibe.
They are.
Why is your voice so deep, sir? The braces / grills type thing. Not on the jet ski.
The jet ski, like, dancing like a lowrider in the
I
background.
can't. This old school hip hop beat is everything. This is like West Coast old school.
It sounds cool.
Oh, the pink hair?
Quite a few of them have braces.
The lip ring? I see that as hers. I like this one.
I do too. This is good.
I'm scared for what the actual song is gonna be now. The wings?
The rib cage.
Listen here, newbie. Y'all are problems already. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't start yet. Cat, you better lay down. Get comfortable again. We're getting into the full video now. Once again, no subs, unfortunately. And we are on
I feel like
their channel.
They used to, or Be Interactive used to be really good with subs for Ace.
Yeah. I think it definitely depends. And we are on their official NEWBEAT channel, too. So it could be just, if we go on Be Interactive, it might, if they have them on there. But either way, here we go. NEWBEAT, Flip the Coin. I think this is their official debut. I could be wrong. What is a Shakespeare? Fair is foul, foul is fair. They're demons, Kate! Oh my god, I love it.
They're hip hop demons.
Yes. We have loved every song that we've heard that's called Flip That Coin, so.
Yeah. We had Kingdom, Victim,
Yo.
and now NEWBEAT.
Fair is foul, foul is fair. I love that. No, they sell. Like, so they kind of have like a Shakespearean almost, like old school. That's awesome.
Oh, I'd be here for a whole like Shakespeare.
Oh my god,
comeback.
yes. Not my Blondie having super short hair with like the blue dye. You too, sir. Their vocals are really good.
They are. Hello.
Sit down.
He's fine. If you push him, he's just gonna get worse.
Get down. He's getting down. There we go. Get out of her way.
Fred?
Everything's attacking you today.
At least now I can move my legs. Oh my god, my leg was cramping.
He's a fat cat. Oh, not him yanking the horn out. They have like a lot of like b-boying moves almost. Let's go. Ooh.
The flip.
The guitar? Sirs. I really like them.
This is a really good song.
You know who Blondie actually reminds me of a little bit?
Who?
Just certain angles. Kehoe. Like, facially. Okay.
That was really good. I love that they're on like a floating city on a record.
Right, like they have such like a unique concept to them. Okay, listen here, newbie. I need to know everything. Because that was a lot. Members profile. So yes, can be short to NBT, formerly pre-debut as Hin Love or High and Low. South Korean boy group under Beat, consists of 7 members: Minsuk, Minsung, Yo-Yo Jong, Sohyun, Taeyang, Yoonho, and Ryu. Their first pre-release was JeLLo, and they debuted on March 24th, which I believe is with Flip That Coin, with their first album, Raw and Rad.
That's an interesting name.
That is. Alright, so, Minzook. Hello, sir. Leader, vocalist, 2002. Wait a minute, was he on...
He was on Boys Planet.
I was gonna say, I'm like, I knew some of them looked familiar. Minzook, I remember voting for him. Or not voting for, like, rooting for him.
Mm-hmm.
He was in the same group as,
It says he was a Week 1 trainee.
yeah, with Hanbin, Park Hanbin. Yeah, and Tere and all them. Yeah. He's also a former Cube Entertainment trainee, and he was a backup dancer for Forestella's Cool.
And Ace, my girl.
Oh my lord. That's crazy. His role model is Becky and Kate.
His hobbies are cooking and exploring restaurants.
Lord. Minsung is the pink hair, all-rounder main vocalist. His role model is San. He was also a backup dancer for My Girl.
The thing he wants to do most with the members is go somewhere with a barbecue, an indoor pool, and a 2-story pension.
That's what they call them. They're like when they go, kind of like an Airbnb type thing. That's what they call it, but they call it like instead of like a house or something, they call it a pension. I don't know why.
My first thought is like retirement funds
Yeah.
when I hear the word pension.
So John Yo-Yo Jong is my guy, my blonde hair, 6 foot, 2005.
Oh. TO1. It's your boy.
Is he mean? Was he?
Under the name Jim.
Okay, wait a minute. I gotta go check because I'm like, if it's who I think it is, I will lose my shit because yes. Yeah, Jaeyoon, I know you. Dongwon, yeah, my other boy. Chan, my other guy. Jisoo. Jaeyu. Dongwon. So it wasn't who I thought it was. Okay, cool. Yeah. Yojong. Oh, wow. Yeah, he was maknae. Well, after, Ungi
Right.
and all that. Oh, okay. Sorry. So I do know him. Wow. Okay. I got
We
all
know
excited.
2 so far.
We know 2 so far. His role models are Baekhyun, Ace, and Chris Brown. Okay. He was on the swim team.
He loves Pokemon.
I feel like they were all probably backup dancers for My Girl because
Probably.
so far that's 3 of them. So Soyeon, purple haired here, main rapper, main dancer, 2005. He was a backup dancer at Ace's Overturn FanCon. His English name is Sean. His role model is Taeyong. Let's go. Taeyang. Hello, sir. I think
Kim
you were one of my problems. Vocalist dancer, 2006. He's a Sag K.
He was accepted in a Blackberry. Well, good thing you didn't go there.
Right? Like, damn. His nickname is Sunny. His role models are Baekhyun and Nikki.
Taste.
Taste.
His favorite song is Killin' It by B1 Army.
Let's go, Taste. Oh, no, you're my other problem. Hello, sir.
Yoonhoo.
Yoonhoo. Vocalist, rapper, 2007. His role models are V and Jaehyun.
A.
2 of my alt skate. Oh my god. Ryu.
He went to school abroad.
Okay, vocalist, visual, Magne. Magne is 6 foot. Like, they're all kind of tall. It's
Tall
crazy.
Magne.
His favorite Ace song is Higher. That song is so good. He loves mint chocolate. His role models are Byungkwon and Yuta, my boys too. Excuse you. Yeah, you can't get up there, bud. There's stuff there.
He was the only member who got cast on the streets.
Oh, dude, ow. Yeah, sit down. If you're gonna be up here, sit down. Okay, yeah. So we know at least a couple of them, and at least one of them is my, I knew him from another group, my problem child, and then I have a couple others that I'm like, hey. But Minseok, I was like, wait a minute, why he look familiar? It's because Boys Planet.
Boys Planet.
Duh. Yeah, and Yo-Jung.
I like that his grandma gave him the name.
Right. I love them already. Like, they're just starting. I love them already.
For me, my biggest problem was Minsung.
Yeah.
And then we look at the profiles and it says all-arounder and main vocalist, and I'm like, yep.
Yeah, it makes sense.
My ace main vocal problem.
Yeah, it makes sense. Pans out.
It tracks.
I'll say, they're this good and they're just starting, so I'm scared to see where they go from here because, wow. So good. Anything else you want to say for these ones?
No, I'm good.
Alright, guys. Well, we hope you enjoyed all these videos as much as we did. Go give NEWBEAT all the love and support they deserve. Super excited to get more into this group. Looking forward to the future because this is a strong start for sure. We'll leave a link to our Patreon, Instagram, and our Twitter down below in the description box. Hope you come over and check us out. We post so much. Seriously, support means the absolute world to us. Welcome to all our new space. It's seriously amazing. We love you. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.